Hello and welcome. You are learning Docker Compose. To understand Docker Compose, we are going to install one demo application without Docker Compose. Now, to install this demo application, we have to set up Docker host. So, as a part of our whole process, we are going to start with the step number 1, set up Docker host. So, let's start. Create Ubuntu VM on any cloud platform or locally. Make sure you are using Ubuntu 20.04.LTS. See here, if you watch all this video, you will note one thing, that we are using Ubuntu here. Why? Because Ubuntu is easily available. Ubuntu 24.04 is actually available across any cloud platform, and if you have your local computer or laptop in which if you want to install Ubuntu, it is also very easy. So throughout in our journey, we are going to use 24.04. Here I am going to use AWS Cloud Platform. It is up to you to use any cloud platform. You don't need to worry about this. But make sure that you must have 24.04 LTS version. Why? Because if you have same version, then the command will be executed smoothly. Okay. So what I am doing, I am going to the AWS console, going to the EC2 instance. I don't have any virtual machine running. I am just going to launch new instance. Even I have default VPC. Let's give name like Docker host. Here I am going to use Ubuntu, and look at this, I am having 24.04. If you are not getting this, or whenever you are watching this video, if you are getting any advanced version, you can browse more, you can click over here, browse more AMI, you can find out the old version and then you can install this. Okay. So here we have lots of, look at this, here I am getting 20.04 as well, which is the older version, right? So you just need to find out this. You will definitely get it over here. Now T2 Micro, which is free. Here I am going to use this key. Not going to add anything, going with the default options, and I have only one of the EC2 instance required. So I am just going to launch this. Now once you launch this, as we have AWS environment, we have to open command prompt. We must have this key. I have this key into the download folder. So I'm going to use this. Then SSH-I new 2024 this key. Now as we have Ubuntu, and then we have to provide public IP address. You need to select this, copy public IP and paste it over here. Now we will get access of our instance. Yes, I got access on my EC2 instance. So my EC2 instance is ready. Now we need to install Docker. Here I am going to log in as a root. So sudo -i. Now I am logged in as a root. Now we have to give this command apt-get update. It will update my system. And then we are just going with the default installation. We are just going to use our Ubuntu repo to install Docker. So now it is installing Docker. I can say that Docker host will be ready within 2 minutes, and then we have to go with application. Now along with Docker, here we have to.
Sorry guys, sorry to disturb you. I know you all are enjoying the session and suddenly it stopped. But if you want full video, or if you want full Docker course having 130 plus videos including projects, you can become our community member. Enrollment link is in description. Moreover, we also provide 24/7 support, weekly lifetime live session with Bhavesh Attara, updates and completion certification as well. still you have any queries regarding it, you can contact me on my personal number. Thank you.